Hey guys, can you hear me? How's the stream going? I hope we're live because there's some very interesting things. Just got home from IKEA and we've got a bunch of things that we gotta unpack behind me. A few upgrades to the studio. Hope let's wait for the chat to get a few more viewers. If you're watching this later, just like the video right now right from the start, because there's a lot of things that we'll go over right now. Thanks for the like. Oh, that was fast. I have reason to believe we are in a bad that can bounce. Not only that, I'm actually shorting Bitcoin right now, short term. I'm not saying that this will last for a long time, but I'm shorting Bitcoin right now, and we'll talk about it within the video. We'll go over all the news you have to know for the day. It's been a long day. I only uploaded 2 videos today. Reason was I just wasn't home, but I'm planning a few more videos that I want to do tonight. This is going to be the first one live stream just to catch up with you guys. Hey Sam, hey Aristos, we'll talk about Theta. Hey Richard, hey Ayop. Let me know any cryptocurrency that you want me to talk about today. But first, let me just start with Bitcoin to give you my overall opinion. Can you hear me, by the way? Is the sound good? And also we have 14 people in the chat. Make sure you like the video so we can get 14 likes. We're at 4 likes. That's great. 16 people. Wow. Can we break yesterday's record of 90? I promise we'll stream every day. If we can keep breaking records, well, that would be a very strong incentive now, wouldn't it? So let's talk about a few things that are happening right now. First, and my main concern is, yes, we're trading in a range that has been so for a long time. No problem, Aristos, I've got ya. Where are you from? Are you from Greece? Because I'm from Bulgaria. Why bad? Mr. Debyer, I'll tell you. Right now BTC is trading in range, and when it's trading in a range, because there's a lot of fear and uncertainty in the market that you can see from the BTC dominance going up, people really respecting overbought and oversold areas, meaning oh, that's great, Richard. Meaning whenever we have a dip, we buy the dip. That's great, and that's a good strategy. That's what I've done, that's what you did, and actually sold what I bought, and I'm actually shorting right now. The reason is, this is no financial advice, I might be totally wrong, this is just my opinion. People really respect overbought and oversold area. As you can see here, on the 30-minute chart frame, we are definitely at an overbought area, nearing a small resistance zone, 34k, that we rebounded to from the dip. So everyone that bought at 29k that bought the dip just took profits here. As you can see, maybe some trailing profits because it was sliding slowly down, nothing too much. But people that bought the dip around the 30k area pretty much made 10-15% on their money. Oh, nice. Hey Swish, how's it going? Long time no speak. So right now, what I believe we'll have is we won't really get the movement that we projected yesterday. I thought that we should have yesterday or the day before, when we had the dip, I was like, we'll have the same movement, but it wasn't really the same, because it really, people started taking profits too early because there's a lot of uncertainty in the market. And right now what people did is they started, we have a very overbought area at the 70 area on the 30-minute time frame, and on the 5-minute time frame we have an overbought area as well, which is not great for Bitcoin, especially on the short term. So if you're looking to actually long Bitcoin, I would wait for a dip that I expect to happen tonight. I have 3.3 subscribers on YouTube. Nice, Sam. What's your channel about? So I really do. Oh, we talked on Ethereum, right? Right, Sam? So here's what I believe will happen. By the way, let me know any cryptocurrencies you want me to talk about in the chat. We'll talk about them. The news for today, I haven't checked them out for like 8 hours. So grayscale unlocking poses downstream risk to Bitcoin price. A lot of bad news are happening today. Actually, so someone from Berkshire Hathaway saying something bad about crypto as well. 80% of the people that watch my videos aren't subbed. I had 90% when I had search videos. So don't worry about it, man. Just try to get as many views as you can. You're such an inspiration to me. Thanks, Sam. Thanks. We're just at 10 people. Come on. Yesterday we were at 90. Thanks for liking the video. By the way, guys, let's like the video right now. And I'll start talking about the cryptocurrencies you told me. So Aristos, you told me to check Theta, and I'll do that right now. Or it's trading on Binance, by the way. Oh, I forgot to say that if you actually want to trade cryptocurrencies, since I'm partnered up with Bybit, I've got a very special promotion for you guys and girls. In the chat, if you actually check any of my videos right now and you just go to the description, you see that I've got a special promotion for people that sign up using my link on Bybit, and the reason is I've partnered up with them, which means I can ask them for special promotions. They even promised that we can do a PlayStation giveaway or something. They're a big exchange, so they can do whatever they want. And I'm proud to be a part of this infrastructure. So the cool thing is they've actually are giving you a bonus, as you can see in the description down below. Thanks, but yeah. Ooh, nice. Sam and Swish are partnering up. So let's talk about Theta today. Theta, like on the first, if you just disregard the RSI factor on the 30-minute chart, it's definitely at it definitely has a lot of buying pressure right here, right? It has on the lower time frame, it's going up, lower lows and higher highs, kind of. Even if we didn't get that, if we break here, we'll have a mini breakout, in my opinion, to the upside. If we just break this zone right here, I believe what will happen right now with Theta is small break to the upside, maybe for a few percent. I don't know if we'll break this line. If we do, maybe we can head to the 80s areas. But if you want to take a small amount of profit, you can definitely do so. Normally breakout patterns, you trade them for the depth that they came from. Thoughts on Ethereum? I'll check it right now. Do you check out Everrise? Yeah, look at this. Look, Arthur, check this out. I actually have opened it up, and it's good that you told me about it yesterday. I didn't manage to buy any, but it's actually the most viewed cryptocurrency right now on CoinMarketCap, and this is why I had it open in the beginning, at the beginning of the day at 7 a.m. Now it's 6. I don't know if I'll talk about it today. I really wanted to. Maybe I will. I also wanted to talk about Shiba Inu. Do you guys have any opinion on it? And Everrise. The issue I have with it, I don't really want to trade it on pancakeswap. Do you know any other exchange I can change it beside trade it on except these ones? There was some ogre exchange. A friend of mine just told me that today. Thanks for the likes, guys. We got 7 likes so far. So here is what I think right now about Ethereum. And just while we are at it, let's just BTC is pumping a little bit, but I'm not that worried about my short position. You're going to need a big monitor. What do you mean? I have a 34-inch big monitor. Okay, let's try this. I've upgraded. Upgrade plans to see. I've already got the Pro version on TradingView. Okay, that's good. So BTC right now is slowly going up, but nothing too interesting. I think it will cap out here, and I'm not worried about my short as of yet. Ethereum is still being pumped, which is good. It's definitely at a formation for an upside, but it's too hard to tell. Like, it depends on, are you trading it on the daily, are you trading it, day trading it, swing trading it, or are you in it for the long term? If you can respect the trend line right here, we can definitely try to get a movement above this price, and if we do, we'll have a mini breakout as well, because we have the support zone, which now can be resistance, and it is resistance right here. As you can see, touch it here as a support zone. It was a resistance here a few times actually, and if we actually manage to break from here, which I do believe we might, even though I'm short BTC, I'm just looking at for what it is, right? No financial, that's just my opinion. We might, Ethereum might get back here, but who knows? It really depends on Bitcoins. I think the whole market is controlled by Bitcoin right now. We're still waiting for the Shiba Inu news, and I'm not really happy that I actually place an alert right here. Maybe I'll add in more volume on Shiba Inu if we actually break this. And I'll tell you why. Shiba Inu is pretty much at the same situation. We're respecting a trend line, an upwards trend line with a small support resistance levels at the 700 area, which was a support level before. If we can actually break through it, as you can see, was always a very strong support area. If you actually go on the daily chart as well. Hey Charmaine, how's it going? Long, yeah. On Ethereum, I would go long, even though I'm short BTC. But I'm not sure if I would buy it right now, and I'll tell you why. Higher RSI, I try to buy in on positions when I see a pattern emerge, but the RSI isn't 70 on the 5-minute chart, because the movement isn't there. I try to, squeeze as much as possible from each trade, and to do that I have to have a good entry, because I don't like to keep holding for months on end. For example, I'm in a Shiba position for a while. I'm not that happy about it. I'd rather move in and out of position a bit faster. Everrise literally just hit 40k holders in a week. 30 audit in process, going to be epic. Check it out. Dev team is ripped through the market. Is revolutionary. Where can I buy it, Archer? Is there a better way to buy it than pancakeswap? Because it can't really be bothered buying it on pancakeswap right now, at least. Wasn't there a trade org? Where do you buy it from? Or do you buy it from pancakeswap? Please let me know. I'm interested. I might buy some. I'm actually kind of interested in Everrise, but I'm also interested in Jinduino because it's trading near this the support level, and I might buy some on Hotbit. The issue I have with Hotbit is they're always down, guys. Do you feel me? They're always down. Every time I try to trade them, yeah, MetaMask. I don't know, man. I don't want to use. What are the fees right now on MetaMask? So MetaMask with pancakeswap. Yeah, on Hotbit you can actually trade Jindu. Maybe you can actually also buy Ever. And they didn't. It was Rice. The ticker was Rice. Oh, you can't yet. I hope Gate.io actually add it. They're pretty good. Normally they're quick to add new trading pairs. Do they have it, Rice? We don't. How about Jint? No, they don't. That's weird. Yeah, by the way, on Gate.io, let's see how safemoon is doing. I didn't manage to buy the dip here. We talked about it was a really good position, but I was going in onto other cryptocurrencies at that time. We're talking about how good this dip was, right? When it happened, it was no, this dip was. At the we was in instant. I mean, not instant, but took a few hours. Within a day, you would make 50% on your money. So it was pretty insane. And even if you are trading a lower time frame and you just bought the dip here and you have an alert based on RSI, you would still make 50%. This dip and higher RSI area was just insanely profitable, right? I think what I'll do for this market, because at any second we can turn into a bear market, what I'll do is do more day trading rather than just hodl my money, because I want to make use the money that I have to work for me, and there's some good opportunities. I still do believe BTC is at a short. Maybe if there's enough buying pressure in past 36k, I will be looking into either sizing up on the short and everything to get a better price at these levels, or maybe even I wouldn't have a stop loss, to be honest, below the 41 42k area, because we are trading in a range and I'm trying to get just momentum trades. I don't know if that makes sense. What do you think, guys, about what I just said? I'm definitely interested in a Coinbase Pro announcement. They still haven't done anything. They still do just post about random cryptocurrencies no one wants. All we want is Shiba Inu and shibaswap. That's all we want, nothing else. Don't they understand what we want? So look, guys, I think this should be enough for the stream. We're not getting a lot of questions right now, but I was really happy to just tune in and see how it goes. I'll try to record 1 or 2 more videos for tonight. One will be about a new token. I think it's a sponsored video, and the next one might be about Everrise or Jindu. I really hope you liked this video, and I want to see you in the next video. It's a pleasure.